Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So the audio, it's following your video. And that's kind of very annoying if you ask me. So to fix this problem, what you have to do is you have to right click on your video and then I'll zoom in. Right click on the video, right, and then here you should see Unlink. Make sure you check this. Now, because you check this, now look. Now I can grab this video, move it exactly, hold Alt to zoom out or use this as well. And now I have the video, I can move it exactly where I want. Before, if I selected the video and moved the video, this audio, it will like follow the video. And that's something we don't want. And what you have to do right now is just to delete this audio cut. Now we only have this video. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I appreciate taking the time to watch this tutorial. Take care.